Today I'm trying the infamous crumble cookie. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have tried crumble before, and it's not necessarily what I would go to all the time, but obviously they have different flavors come out all the time, and I'm always interested because big activities make you want to try all the sweets and all the treats. The holiday tree cake, it kind of reminds me of the tasty cakes. That's what it reminds me of. Yep. Oh, wow. That is so sweet. If you like those holiday cakes, you will absolutely love this one. No, for me. Okay, moving on. The raspberry cheesecake cookie. I don't like cheesecake, but I'm curious to see what this one tastes like. So, hmm. This one's actually not that bad. Even though I don't like cheesecake, I'm not getting a super strong cheesecake flavor. The raspberry on top is very good. The cookie is has a little bit of like salty bits in it. I can taste that. The snickerdoodle sandwich cookie. Mm. Now, I do like a good snickerdoodle cookie. And the actual cookie is not that bad. But for me, you could just give me the cookie. Sticky toffee pudding. So it kind of got a little smashed on top, but you can see. I think people are going to like this. It's just not for me necessarily. I'm actually interested to taste this. I like toffee. Hmm. And so this one has to be my favorite so far. I like the saltiness of the toffee pieces. Brownie batter cookie. I'm not gonna lie, I love me some chocolate. Hmm. This tastes like a brownie. Wow. It is overdosed on chocolate. But other than that, I will see you next time.